morning, children. Are you all ready for today's EVS class? Take out your EVS book. We are going to do the book by exercise. Are you all ready? Yes. Take out your book, children. Take lesson number 11. Last class we read the lesson, right? You all understood this lesson? Yes. So, the lesson is about animal around us. What are the kinds of animals we learn two types of animals. Wild animals and farm animals. You all remember that? Super. Did you all read it, children? I have told you, you should have the reading habit, okay? You should always read, okay? Now we are going to do the book bag exercise. Okay, are you all ready? Take out your page number 56. So, this is going to be your homework, children. Circle the animals you can see in the page 55. One of them have been done for you. So you are going to see the pictures, okay, all these pictures, and you are going to see page number 55, this one, okay, this picture, and you are going to circle what are there in this picture, okay, in this picture you are going to see and circle what are there. See, there is a duck, right? There is a duck here. So they have circled the duck. Likewise, you are going to circle the other animals also. Okay, will you all circle it? Yes. We have something to read. Can we read? Some people keep animals as pet. Pet stay at home with us. Dogs and cats are the most common pets. We need to feed our pet at the right time and keep them clean. They also need love and care. So, we all have few animals as pet at our home, right? Like dog and cat. We have to give food for them and we have to clean them also. You should not live just like that. You have to bath them. You have to keep them safe. You should not allow them out. Okay? You should keep them safe at your home, right? You should not leave them just like that. Okay? So we have to give good food for them. What are the needs for them you have to give. And main important thing, you have to show love and care for the pet. Even pets will long for love and care. Okay, see, when you are taking, I am taking class, okay, when I appreciate you, you all will like me, right? You all will like me when I appreciate you. When I am very jolly and when I am talking to you very friendly, right? Like that, you have to be like that with your pets also. Okay, they will also um, wait for your love and care. So, I hope many of you are having pets at your home. Take care of your pets very well. Okay, children? Yes. Now, we are going to do the mark the sentence as true or not true. Okay? Yes. Can we write? A dog guards the farm. Yes, dog will guard the farm. Put tick. Lions and tigers live on a farm. No, they live in the forest. So put wrong. We must not harm animals. We must not harm animals. Yes. Rat chase cats. Huh? No, no, no. Cat chase rat. So this is wrong. Pets can take care of themselves. No, we have to take care of them. So first one is correct, second one is wrong, third one is correct, fourth one is wrong, fifth one is also wrong. So did you all write it, children? Can we move to the next one? Turn the next page. Match the following. So you are going to match with the mama animals and the puppy animal. Okay? One is done for us. What is it? Cow, calf. Okay. Hen, chicks. Match. Goat, kids. Dog, puppy. Duck, ducklings. Yes? Correct. Did you all mark it? Cow, calf is already done for us. Okay? Next one. Hen, chicks. Goat, kids. Dog, puppy. Duck, ducklings. Yes. Did you all write it? Did you all mark it? How will you mark? You will use your scale and pencil. You will keep your scale and draw a straight line neatly. Okay? Yes. Can we move to the next one? Take the correct word. The tiger or donkey is a wild animal. Which is a wild animal? Tiger. Put tick on tiger. We keep pets at the zoo or at our home. Where do we keep our pets? We keep at our home. A dog or deer is a common pet. Which is common pet? Dog. Next, we get milk or eggs from cows. We get milk from cows. Ducks or elephant live on a farm. Will ducks or elephant live? Ducks will live. Yes. So the first one answer is tiger. Second one is home. Third one is dog. Fourth one is milk. Fifth one is duck. Yes. Did you all write it? Did you all tick the correct answer? Very good. Next one. We are going to find the words. Are you all ready? Yes. Duck is already done. Next we are going to search cat. Where is cat? Search along with me, children. Yeah, I found cat. Did you all find? Don't look at me, okay? You all write it by yourself. And then you see my answers, okay? Yes. Next one. I found cat. Ooh, ooh. Cat. Next one. Goat. I found. Did you all find it? Yes. So duck, cat and goat is done. Next one. Hen. Yeah, I found hen. Did you all got? How many of you got? Yes. Next one. Dog. I found. And the last one is cow. Yeah, I found everything. Clap your hands for yourself, children. Superb. So you all do the book bag exercise, okay? Will you all do it? Will you all finish it and keep it safe with you? Yes, very good, children. So read the lesson, okay? Read the lesson. Do the homework. This homework you have to do, okay? Will you all do it? Very good. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Sai Ram.